Tennessee Valley Weather Center. This is your weather tonight.
Maybe a stray shower or a thunderstorm as we head through the overnight and the early morning hours of Saturday. Most of us likely to stay dry overnight, dipping out of the 70s into the mid to upper 60s for morning lows, and then we warm quickly, lower 80s by 9 to 10 a.m. and many of us likely hit 90 or 91 by our Saturday afternoon with partly cloudy skies and maybe a few more isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's the Futurecast breakdown. Lingering cloud cover from the afternoon storms off to the west. Kind of fizzles out overnight. Maybe a shower or thunderstorm here and there. That's why I'm not going to make the rain chances overnight 0. But most of it's going to stay dry. Starting in the mid to upper 60s for our Saturday morning. We get well up into the 80s and lower 90s by the afternoon, and then more scattered showers and thunderstorms, most of them over northwest Alabama. However, a few of them might sneak into southern middle Tennessee. That continues through the afternoon and through the evening, and then we kind of quiet down through the evening hours before more showers and thunderstorms possible towards Saturday morning, especially our western areas with the thunderstorm complex possible. We'll get a little more scattered activity Sunday afternoon, and then more rain and thunderstorms likely Sunday night into Monday. Some of those could have some gusty winds and then daily rain chances through a large part of next week. If I have any good news from this, it's that the Sunday severe weather risk we had been watching is starting to shift off to the southwest. We're not completely clear yet. There's still a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Sunday for all of northwest Alabama. Up into part of southern middle Tennessee, however, the entire area had previously been in a level 2 out of 5 risk for Sunday, and that's been shifted off to the southwest. So things are trending away from the area, but we're not clear yet, so don't let this be the last time you check in for weather information through the weekend. We'll be here to watch it. Brian Wilson will be here through the weekend, and should anything get out of hand, we'll have live updates. But for now, good news is that the better severe weather chances for Sunday shifting off to the southwest. We'll just have to watch it carefully for any changes. We're also watching the tropics carefully. We've had a tropical wave roll off the west coast of Africa the past 24 hours. It's going to be getting into increasingly better conditions for tropical development the next few days. And now the National Hurricane Center giving it a medium to high chance of developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm by early next week as it moves westward through the eastern Atlantic. Likely to be Tropical Storm Brett next week. However, 2 bits of good news about this. Number one, it's way, way, way far out there. Even 7 days out into the forecast here is still east of the Windward and Leeward Islands. It's that far out there, so no imminent concerns for any land areas the next several days. And number 2, because of the steering currents over the northern Atlantic and the upper atmosphere, early model indications, and these could still change because there's plenty of time, but early model indications suggest that this system will likely recurve into the open Atlantic, which is good news, but we'll need to watch that carefully for any changes out there, and we'll do just that as we head through the next several days. Partly sunny to begin our Saturday morning, maybe a stray shower during the morning hours, better chances of scattered thunderstorm activity through the afternoon. Don't let the thunderstorm icons fool you here for southern middle Tennessee. Yes, there might be a shower or a thunderstorm during the day, but most of us staying dry. Just can't rule out a rain chance here, especially south of Highway 64. But I can't completely rule out for anybody, but most of us staying dry. Highs in the lower 90s with otherwise partly sunny skies. The better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms for Saturday will be over northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. Highs here also in the upper 80s and the lower 90s. And then everybody has increasing rain chances Sunday, especially Sunday night into Monday. Some of the rainfall might be locally heavy at times, in addition to a few storms with gusty winds. And then daily rain chances as we go through a large part the next week. That's the Look Your latest 7-day forecast. Brian Wilson has you covered through the weekend with all your latest local weather.